Hi and welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to simplify this fraction when we have a quadratic. So feel free to pause this video and have a bit of a go before we go through it, and you could type in your answers or your working or any ideas you have in the comment section, and hopefully you've done a bit of that, and let's give this a go. So when you see a question like this, whenever you notice a quadratic, you should think, let me factorize this, because that's all you could do with a quadratic. You know how to factorize that. So let's write this quadratic out. And let's try factorize it. So in order to factorize this quadratic, what I like to do is write out all the multiples of that. So all the multiples of 8. So that's 1 and 8, 2 and 4. And then they need to multiply to give you negative 8. So we could write that there. And add together to give you negative 2. So then we know it has to be these two. And one of them would have to be negative. So if we do neg4 plus 2, we get my neg2. And neg4 multiplied by positive 2 gives me my neg8. So we know those two are the factors. So we could now write my quadratic in factorized form. So that would just be, there we go, x plus 2 as the first factor and x take 4 as the second factor, because this is equivalent to that. So now we will rewrite this fraction, but instead of writing this, we're going to replace it with this. So let's do that. So we would have x plus 2, x take 4, and then on denominator you have 4 times by 2 on x take 4. Let's write that 4 a bit clearer. And then you will notice that you've got x take 4 here and x take 4 here. So we could cancel both of those out. Also, some of you may notice that we've got a 4 here and a 2 here. So again, we could simplify that because 2 goes into both of them. That would be 1 and that would be 2. And then you just do numerator times numerator. So x plus 2 times 1, which is just x plus 2. And on the denominator, you just have 2 multiplied by 1, which is 2. And so that is our answer when we simplify this fraction. So well done if you got that correct. Well done for just watching this as well and using social media to educate yourself and get better at maths. It's a great way to use social media and to try get better and to try understand this. So just want to say thank you for watching. Hopefully this kind of made sense. Let me know if you found this useful, and I'll do a few more in the next coming videos. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you next time.